Hey guys, this is Jonathan from BlackboxMyCar, and today we did an install on a contest winner's Toyota Corolla, and we were installing the Crosstour CR900. Why don't you guys take a look?
Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm currently a college student.
Hey everyone, it's xSupaD here. Today we are at BlackboxMyCar, and I am very excited to be announcing that we will be doing a giveaway for a Crosstour CR900 dashcam. It is a dual channel dashcam, one of BlackboxMyCar's new entry-level dashcams.
And when he announced this giveaway, I just remembered after reading how to enter the giveaway, this one accident that really would have benefited from a dash cam. This is not my first dash cam actually. So when we bought this car used, it actually came with one of those Xiaomi Yi dash cams in it. And we ran with that for a while, but very recently that dash cam actually quit on us. So we've been without a dash cam for a good month or so. This car is quite the workhorse. My mom drives a lot for both personal use and for work. And without a dash cam, this car is at risk because this past December, this car just turned 15 years old, and ICBC doesn't treat old cars too kindly when it gets into an accident. So with this dash cam, we hopefully can capture any potential accidents this car might get into so that we have proof for ICBC to see who is actually at fault and what actually happened.
Hey guys, if you want to be an influencer like the one you saw in this video, please click the link down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Why don't you take a look?